YouTube family, road trip day.
All aboard.
All aboard. So the four of us are on our way. We have a beautiful scenic drive. We are going to go and pick up a gift that we're buying for the property. We know that this place has been abandoned by several people and this has never been purchased for this house. And so we thought it would be really nice to gift our property something that it officially needs to be able to move forward, being that we are going to stay on this property. So we're going to take this road trip and we're going about an hour and a half of a gorgeous drive to pick this up.
It's not the first time that I'm happy. It's not the first time I've spoken. But it's been a while since that happened. Knock on wood.
Present for the new house.
Try to stay cool on the surface. I'd ask you to stay if I could. Though my lips are sealed, you still get me. Yeah, you do. That's why I said that we should be more than a couple.
You're not on there, Philly. You want me to push you? You want me to push you? Your blade is hitting. The blade is hitting. You have to go up. Forward. Oh, dang.
Kiss me again and again and again, the way it should be. You see, we're more than a couple.
Oh, I'm so excited to do laundry.
I know.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now.
I don't always wipe my washing machine down. But when I do, it's because I'm excited that the washing machine showed up. Oh my goodness. We have been since March,
Yeah.
the middle of March, without a washing machine. I have never in my entire life been so excited about doing laundry. Oh, I have never been a laundry loving person. I love fresh laundry, don't love doing it. And the reason for that was a couple of reasons. It takes so much time. And when we were doing laundry, basically since we've had the kids, we've always had basement laundry. And so having this older home here meant that I could choose where I wanted to have the washer and dryer installation for electrical and plumbing. So we actually had an electrician and a plumber here last week and the week before doing some work to be able to have main floor laundry for me at this house. We all can now participate in doing laundry, not having to go into the dungeon basement to do clothes. But our wash machine just arrived. We're still waiting for the dryer. But we are going to have main floor laundry in this, what we're calling our bonus room on the main floor here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the washer and dryer side by side with a counter and some shelving and hang a dry rack, a pop-up dry rack on the back of the basement door that will be here. I have a plan in my head, but I need to wait for these appliances all to show up to be able to do it. So we can wash clothes officially. We have not been able to do a load of laundry since mid-March. It is now coming near the end of May. So we've been using the clawfoot tub upstairs, we've been washing in rubber buckets, we've been doing all the hand washing and wringing out and the tedious aspect of doing laundry that way. So we're excited that the washer is here. So Philip and I are gonna hang a dry clothesline outside because we have beautiful morning sun that comes out here. And we wanna be able to use the dryer when we have it as little as possible, but we still wanted to have a dryer in the house for, say, in the winter or when we have crummy weather and we just wanna do a load of laundry and dry it. So we're gonna go and hang our clothesline outside. I'm so excited to hang this clothesline and get some fresh towels and stuff out on the line. So exciting because we are at a local sawmill, and you can see I'm actually in someone's yard where we pulled up today and they were doing a lot of work actually milling their own lumber, which is so exciting for me to be able to bring some eco stuff into our home, especially supporting local and having something that's from our very own province in our house. So we are choosing 6 boards today to use for a project in the living room. I think this is gonna add that really awesome natural element in combination with some of the colors we're gonna use. I'm so excited. So we're bearing the mosquitoes and we're gonna get these boards set aside for us, and we're gonna come back later this week and actually pick them up on a nice day with the trailer.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me.
So fun. So we have 1, 2, there's 3 here, and then we have another large one here. And we picked some that do this really neat fanning out at the bottom. Can't really see at the back here, but I have an idea for 2 of these for the kitchen design coming up. So I think that shape will be really unique to have in there, to have some open shelving.
It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees gets undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder.
I'm so happy these are home. We just went day 2 of actually visiting the backyard mill that we went to. The gentleman there was so nice. So if you are watching this, thank you so much, because we're really excited to be able to add some natural Nova Scotia to the renovation projects that we're working on in the house. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much. And I think this is a really cool project because we're actually going to process this wood ourselves to be able to do for some projects in the house, like some open shelving in the living room, as well as 2 really unique open shelves we're going to be doing in the kitchen space. Whoa, the black flies are bad. Lots of people have been asking us about the black flies, and it is black fly season. So this is gonna be a couple of weeks where this is kind of what we deal with outside. So we're gonna be working on some interior projects. So a lot of people have been asking where are our daily uploads the past week or so. Philip and I have been gearing up to getting all the supplies we need for barn build and doing 2 huge renovations inside, as well as the design and ordering for everything for flooring, kitchen, and all of our big projects that we have coming up. Because the projects are bigger projects, the materials aren't as accessible to get them like right away, so everything takes a lot of planning. So we're really excited to get these going. But whoa, let's go inside and do some indoor projects. But I'm excited for these. These shapes are awesome. We're gonna get some new tools, some new toys for the shop to be able to actually sand these out, take the bark off of them and treat them. We're doing some research on what we need to be able to make these exactly how we want them, because we have a vision, and these are gonna help us bring this to life in the house. I'm excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed something a little bit different. We got to go do something we'd never done or seen before and bring it home to prep for the next big project. So I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Insane.
Yeah, you have a clean blade. That's nice.